In today's video, I'll teach you how to create AI on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the menu. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for also from Meta. At fourth, you'll be able to find this option for chat with AIs. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the AI studio. Right over here at top, you'll be able to find this option for create an AI. So what you have to do is simply tap on this option. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create the AI for yourself. So what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now describe your AI. Tap on the description bar that you can see on your screen. Enter the description of the AI you want to create. Now once you're done, tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the name, introduction, description and audience over here. The name will be already selected. What you can do is simply erase it and enter the name you want to enter over here. Likewise, you can do the same for introduction and description. Now tap on the field of audience. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the audience. Simply tap on the audience of your choice. If you want your AI to be private, tap on this option only me. Now after you do that, go back. You can also select the photo if you want. You can see over here the profile will be generated automatically. What you can do is tap on the edit icon. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to describe your AI's appearance and the avatar will be changed. After that, tap on the done option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you're done, tap on this option chat with AI that you can see at bottom. Now you can see over here the AI will be created. Now you'll be able to chat with AI like you do with others. So like this, you'll be able to create the AI. So that is how you create AI on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.